Here's Dylan. He's working on a 1450 outlet. JB Electric, good morning. This one was a pain because City of Beaumont took about 2 months to get us a permit. It's a bad deal, but he's putting this outlet in so we can hang this charger right here. Pretty neat. It's already connected. It's already got all the wires are landed. Everything's landed, so all we basically have to do is attach to the wall. There's a stud here we're going to put it into. And then we're going to pull through this little access box right here, put a connector there, pull it up in the side here, up and over. You cannot cross. If you notice, all the wires go up and around here and here, because you cannot cross these leads that come in from the meter. So we have to go up and over and back around over there. There's our new breaker. It's a certified DP HOM breaker. And we're going to put that guy right in there and land all of our stuff. And with the permit and everything done on this was about $1,100 it cost this customer because the permit price is so high. Anyways, thanks for watching our videos. Have a good day.